Hello everyone, I'm Spiro Kovac and I'm happy to see you again. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 proven apps that pay you PayPal cash. This is not a get quick rich scheme, but it could help you lift you from the bottom. Before we move on to the apps, remember to subscribe to my channel because I post videos on how you can make money online, how you can work from home and become an online entrepreneur every single day. Hit the subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell as well. Okay, let's get started. So first website you guys want to check out is FeaturePoints. Now this is over at FeaturePoints.com. This is a proven app that is on the market since 2012. It's still one of the best. How does it work? It pays you for downloading apps, completing surveys, but it also has a great cashback program which you can use in hundreds of stores like Best Buy 5%, Target 3%, Walmart 2% and many others. The application itself is available for both Android and Apple devices. Download and try program seems to work only at the Android devices at the time of this review. So there'll be games, music, some famous apps like Spotify, Instagram, Facebook Messenger and etc. etc. I didn't want to be like many others and just talk about the apps. I actually took a few hours to download the apps and tested them so I can give an honest review. Unfortunately, I have only iPhone devices, so I couldn't test the application downloads, but the rest of the platform I can say works really smooth. They offered you multiple ways of cashing out, and at the moment they offer you PayPal, Bitcoin and Steam gift cards. They also run a referral program which is designed great. If you know people that wanna try it, provide them with the referral code. This here is mine, so if you go for this app, use my code. It gets you 50 extra points when you enter a referral code. Now System Points works the way that 600 points equals $1. Since I had no Android devices at the time of this review, I had to go for surveys to make money. Now at the beginning of the survey, I was told it would take 18 minutes to complete and that it would be 1500 points, which sounds sort of right, around $3 for a survey. Okay, let's test it. But I have to admit that after 10 minutes, I found myself just across the 50% of the survey and I just got tired and stopped it. This is not for me. My final thoughts are yes, go for it, especially if you have Android device or if you have many friends that you could refer into application in order to get yourself more points. Surveys are a bit complex, but if you really need money, man, I was offered 4 surveys straight after installation. They were 1000 and 1500 points. Means 4500. It's around $7.50. I guess if you complete those, it might unlock you some other service as well. Do it daily if it's possible and you'll have a little bit of money to put towards something better, towards Facebook ads and start something bigger online. Let's go over to the next one, the Service on the Go. We are on their website at serviceonthego.com. As you can see, this app is available for both iOS and Android devices, but at the time of this recording, iOS app didn't work and it was temporarily moved from Apple Store. So I'll go over here and just play this video.
Want to make some cash? Want your opinion heard? We'll pay you for your opinions on all kinds of topics. Download the free Surveys on the Go app for your iPhone or Android. Answer a few quick questions.
Okay, so a little bit more information about the application. Service on the Go is unlike other service applications in the market, actually paying cash, not points. With this app, you're going to get paid when you complete service. The trick with this application is as you complete service, you unlock more service. So how much you can make? From available information, services are around $50 and you should be able to make around $3 a day with this app, which is fine. Service on the Go offers PayPal money payouts, Visa payouts, Amazon and Starbucks vouchers. If you're in the world of service, this is a great application. You should definitely look into this one. Next on the list is Metcash. Metcash is a very different type of app. You can do the math and earn the points. It's really neat, right? Definitely something with a bright future. It also has a survey section which is available when you go to collect more points menu. The point system on this application works that 1000 points equals $1 and minimum amount to cash out is $5 over PayPal. Next on the list is a Blast, and as you can see we are at the blast.com where from the first side you can see what is this application about. This application has opportunities to earn cash and experience points by playing the games. There are 2 triggers to make money with this application. For every minute you're playing the games, you're getting around 1 cent. And it also has a missions in a section of the app that rewards you for installing and playing games. For example, it can be playing a game for 5 minutes to earn $1, and that's like complete mission. Or it could be achieve a level 5 in a game in order to earn $2. There's also a weekly leaderboard where you can compete for $1,000 in prizes, and it's based on experience points. So the player with the most experience points is the winner of the week and gets $1,000. Second place is $500, $250, $100, and so on. Minimum cash out is $2.50, and what you could expect to make from this application in a month, if you're really keen and play a lot of games, is maybe $30, $35, or even up to $50 a month. If you've got some value out of this video, hey, smash that like, and I'll really appreciate it. And if you would guys like more videos like this on how to make money online and how to work from home and become an online entrepreneur, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell too, because I post new videos every single day. Cheers, thanks for watching.